Hello friends, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Jerome Kids Music. So today I just want to teach you something very special. Just a beginner way of playing this song. He's a great God. Just simple way of playing it. So just watch and learn. It goes like this. So it goes, He's a great God. Understand? Stop. Instead of play, He's a great God. He's a great God. He's a great God. All I know. So you go, He's a great God. He's a great God. He's a great God. All I know is just a beginner way of playing the song. So let me just show you what I was playing. So yo misodo, yeah. He's a great. Oh yo sodomi, guys. Or if you want to solo, you just play, guys. Oh, this two notes are do, re, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, fa. Guys, mi, re, ri, mi, re, ri, mi, re, ri. So you can play it this way. There are so many ways you can play this particular song, but I'm just showing you this simple way of playing it. So for beginners, I know there are a lot of beginners here in my platform, so they can actually play the song this way. He's a great God. He's a great God. He's a great God. All I know. So thanks for watching, guys. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and also comment. God bless you.